Guys, I have been on TV, like actual TV, like the TV in your living room for 10 years. And I still get nervous on TV. I get nervous on TV so much so that usually I'm shaking. You can't hear it. That I forget words quite often. And my very first course that I just did with some lovely women in this group, I was so nervous, and I hope they couldn't tell, but I just want to say, like, you are not alone. One of the big focuses today was, being confident in your expertise. And I can preach all day long, but it is a hard thing to get over. But the one thing I can say is just do it. You don't have to be all the way there to pitch a story. You don't have to be all the way there to start a business. You don't have to be perfect to craft a story or craft a pitch or talk to a reporter or make a website. Just get it done, because that's what I did today in my first course that we're doing. And I can tell you that I was nervous, but I know that the people that I'm helping still got information out of it. And I was so happy to hear that at the end, because I was so nervous that I sped through a half-hour presentation in 20 minutes, but they still had 3 pages of notes of things they didn't know beforehand, which blows my mind. And so I know that you guys in this group, no matter what you're doing, you can do it too by just believing that you're an expert, okay? So I hope you guys have a wonderful Monday, because I can say that just made my day. And so I just want to thank all of you for being here and trusting me and learning from me. So have a great Monday and a great week.